Hey guys, welcome to brand new video. So आज हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे LeetCode challenge 1298 maximum candies you can get from the boxes. So first we will go with the problem description. You have n boxes labeled from 0 to n minus 1. You are given 4 arrays: status, candies, keys and content boxes, where status of I is the 1 if the ith box is open, and 0 if the ith box is closed. Candies is the number of candies in the ith box. Okay, keys is a list of the labels of the boxes you can open after opening the ith box. Okay, and content boxes is the list of the boxes you found inside the ith box. You are given an integer array initial boxes that contains the labels of the boxes you initially have. You can take all the candies in any open box, and you can use the keys in it to open new boxes, and you can also use the boxes you find in it. Return the maximum number of candies you can get the following the rules above. So okay, so हम लोग इसको समझते हैं कि मतलब क्या क्या होता है. So obviously you will get okay, suppose you think you will get a box. Okay, when you get a box, if it is open, you will get the candies. So you can get the candies. Inside that box you can also have the keys to open the other boxes. Like if you have another second box, it is the first box. So if you open the first box, you can get the candies out from it, and you can also get the keys to open the second box. And also it can contain the some other boxes. Let's assume 3 and 4. So yeah, this is the problem description. So we will understand how this problem will work. So first I'll rub it off. Yeah, so here we have 4 boxes over here, and this is the status of the boxes. So 1 is open and 0 is closed. So when we go into this, and first we will see the 0th boxes. So it is open, so we will take out the 7 candies out. So yeah, so and we will search for the keys, and it doesn't have any keys. So yeah, but it also have the box 1 and box 2 in it. So we will jump to the box 1. So when we go into the box 1, it is 0, matlab it is closed. So yeah, we will continue to the box second. When we box second is open, so we will take out the 4 candies. So we will take out the 4 candies, but we have the keys to open the first boxes. So using this key, we will open the first box. When we open the first box, we have 5 candies, so we will take out the 5 candies out, and it doesn't have any key, so we will check the list of boxes. When we check the list of boxes, it have box number 3. Okay, so when we go to the box number 3, it is closed and we don't have any keys to open, so we can't take the 100 candies out. So it is, so the maximum number of candies we can take is 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, so we will code it now. Yeah, to code this one, we will use the BFS. Yeah, it's just a breadth first search queue. Yeah, so yeah, first we will start. Okay, so first we will start with the length. So obviously we need to find a length. So int n is equals to status dot length, and we also need a variable to store the total number of candies. So int total candies is equals to, we will assign it to 0. Yeah, okay. Then we need to check that do we have a box or not. So we need to check, do we have box. So to check that, we will use the boolean array. We will name it as has box is equals to new boolean of n. So it will check that and check that box is present or not. And also we need to check that we have the key to open the other boxes also. We need, do we have keys. So we need to check that. So we will use another boolean array, has key is equals to new boolean of n. and we also need to check that the box is already opened or not. So have we opened the box? So we will use another boolean array. We will name it as used is equals to new boolean of n. Yeah, and also we need an q, q. We will name it as no, first we have to specify integer. It is an integer q. We will name it as q only, and it is a linked list. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the initial requirements to code it, and first we will start with the adding the initial boxes. So add initial boxes. So we will use the for loop for in, we will name it as box initial boxes. We will store it in the has box is equals to true. We will change the status to true, and we will q dot offer box. Yeah, we'll offer it to the q. Now we'll start with the q. So before starting with the q, we'll use the while loop, while not ue dot is empty. So it will run till the q is empty. We will take another one variable, int box is equals to ue dot poll. Okay, so I missed this one. Yeah, done. Okay, so first we need to check if the following box have any keys or not. So we will code it first. So first one will be coded for if the box is not open and we don't have key, then continue. Okay, we don't have key, then we will continue. Okay, so to check, we will use the if statement. If status of box double is equals to 0 and not has key for the box, what we'll do is we will continue. Okay, yeah, we have checked for the if the box is not open and we don't have any key, then we will continue, and we will check if the box is already opened or not. So to code that, we will use don't reopen the open box. So we will code it. So we will use again if statement, if used box, then we will also continue. Okay, then now we checked for if the box is not open and we don't have the key, and we will jump to the next one, and we will see if the box is open and it is not even used. So we will take out the candies. So we will code that one. Okay, so when we open the box and we will take out the candies, its status will change to used box. So we will use used box is equals to, so we change the status of the box to true, and we will calculate the total candies plus or equals to candies of box, and that's it. So it will calculate the candies and it will mark it as the open box. Now we need to check if the key is present or not. If the key is present, we will collect the key and we will open the other box. So to code that, we will collect the key. Okay, so to collect the key, first of all we will use the for loop. For int, we will name it as the key, and it will be as the keys, keys which are present in the box. Let me check one, it is small or small. Yeah, perfect. So we will change the status of has key of key to true, and if has box of key, what we'll do is q dot offer key. We will send it to the queue and it will continue. Okay, so now again we need to check if the box contains the other boxes. Like we have in the 0th box we have the another 2 boxes, so we need to code that. So to collect the containing boxes, so we need to code that one. So फिर से we will use the for loop. For int, we will name it to the inbox and it will be contained box of box. Let me just cross check contained boxes, contained boxes. Yeah, that's it. So we will change as box, inbox is equals to true, and we will offer it to the queue, and that's it. And we need to return total candies. Okay, so when we run this program, okay, line number 21. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, it's running. Okay, so yeah, we'll submit it now. Yes, done. Thank you guys. If you really like this video, please give us like and please subscribe for daily LeetCode challenges. Thank you.